My name is Saad. I'm a graduate of computer engineering from HKU, and I'm going to share with you my journey at HKU Engineering. I am the co-founder of Breed Robotics, a bio-inspired robotics organization at HKU which built the world's fastest robotic fish. We started as a small group of engineering students who wanted to do something cool. And what's cooler than making your own robotic fish? Also making it the fastest in the world. As exciting as the task was ahead of us, it was even more daunting, as not much work was done on it before. And a couple of undergraduate students were going to work on something absolutely novel. No matter how impossible it sounded, the faculty and department, after seeing our passion, were eager to give us an opportunity. They provided us with the space, funding, and technical assistance as required. 3 years later, we got our first world record, and a year later, our second one. We are now faster than Olympic gold medalist Michael Phelps himself, covering 50 meters in just under 23 seconds. I worked on it since my year one and later co-founded Breed with my co-founder Timothy, where we make novel robots inspired by nature. We're currently working on a robot dog as well. Our team has grown substantially over the years, and together we have won many awards. The DAM Wing Fan in Innovation Wing is definitely at the core of innovation and interdisciplinary research at HKU because students can do their projects and realize their ideas. It's not just a huge facility with maker spaces and tools, but an innovation ecosystem. Our team, Breed Robotics, was nurtured within this ecosystem to become what it is today. InnoWing promotes ideas and collaboration between individuals and groups. It provides a good system of technical support and supervision from on-duty professors, a well-structured funding system, and access to many competitions and opportunities for individuals and groups. If you have an idea and want to make it happen, the Innovation Wing is the place to be. We also have the Innovation Academy, which equips us with relevant technical knowledge and skills that are needed for our projects. Thanks to my experiences and learning at HKU, I was able to co-found my startup Codifly, where we are building data infrastructures for a smarter tomorrow, focusing on 3D point cloud-based deep learning applications. I have been able to use my learned leadership skills to lead my team while having a lot of fun along the way. And as Michael would say, startup life isn't that bad.